To get started, you want to arrange your threads in the colour order you want them on your board, and you're going to be using 2 threads to knot over, but you're not going to be knotting with these threads, so these threads can be a little bit shorter. So to get started, you want to take the first colour in your sequence and you want to knot over the thread that's on the inside and then on the one that's on the outside. So you want to knot away from the centre. And you want to do this over both of your shortest threads. And then you want to take the next colour in your sequence and do the same thing again. So knot over one of your threads. And then knot over the other thread. And then you can put that out of the way, and then take the next colour in your sequence and do this until you've knotted all of your threads. So once you've knotted all the colours in your sequence, you should have something that looks like this. And now you're going to do it the same thing but the opposite way around. So you're going to take the colour that you've just worked and then you're going to knot in the other direction. Again, over both of your shortest threads. And then you're going to take the next colour in your sequence and do the same thing again. And like you did before, you're going to repeat this until you've knotted all these threads. So once you've done that, you should have the threads back in the same position that they were when you started. So you're going to do the same thing that you did when you began and just knot in this direction. And you're going to keep swapping over each time you've knotted all your threads in one direction until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. And when you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So now you can just try on your bracelet. And that is your completed wave pattern friendship bracelet.